I would like to start my speech with these line poetry. खूबियाँ इतनी तो नहीं हम में कि आपको याद आएंगे, खूबियाँ इतनी तो नहीं हम में कि आपको याद आएंगे, पर इतना तो एतबार में खुद पर आप लोग हमें कभी भूल नहीं पाएंगे. Good morning to the headmasters, Ranatullah, respected teachers and my dear fellow students. As you all are aware that we have assembled today to celebrate a very special event, our farewell. Why? I am excited to share that we have completed our primary education, and I am also feeling sad that we will be leaving our school. Now this place has been like second home for us, where we spend most of our time. Our teachers have been extremely kind and they always support us throughout our learning phase. First, I would like to thank our headmaster Sadanaitullah, who has always portrayed the image highly disciplined personality, yet so kind and human. I would also like to thank our class teacher Samon Bakseto, who is very kind-hearted. He used extra time and support us in our studies. I would especially like to thank our English and Science teacher Munir Hussain Legari, who trusted us with real-life examples and inspired us to seek out the answer for ourselves. While we know we will not be able to live this life